good, guys? It's your girl Choreo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This marks the 5th of a 5-week twerking drill challenge, and today we're going to be doing the very popular jiggle jiggle into 630. So in Jamaica, we either call it 630 jiggle or we call it jiggle jiggle. Yeah, so you've probably seen this a lot in any one of our popular dancehall videos. It could be Shensia, it could be Spice Official, it could be Jada Kingdom. Whichever one of them you've watched, yeah, the jiggle jiggle has been done. So all I want you to think about is moving the hips slow motion, just like so, like so, like so, like zidididi so. Yeah, if I turn my back, this is what it looks like. Slow motion. This is without even engaging the glutes, engaging the booty, right? Just a nice twist side to side. When you're going into the 630, you are going to have some amount of movement in the knees. It's important that you keep the knees relaxed, and I'm going to show you also a modification to the exercise. So first of all, let me show you how the actual movement is done. So if I'm here, let me turn dead straight to the side. Cut the bottom back, sink the lower back there to heist the bottom up into the air. In Jamaica, we say ice it up, yeah, heist it up. And then you're just gonna move your booty from side to side like this. Some girls will do it with straight leg. Some girls can bend the knee, and it's almost like a modified puppy tail, but some girls will get more jiggle when they bend the knees, or some may be okay doing it with straight knees. Okay, so the modification is bending the knees and just rocking the hips side to side. Now, if you did get the puppy tail, this should not come too hard for you. It's just that the knees are not as bent. So once you bend the knee like this and come over in almost like all fours, it's referred to as a puppy tail. So relax the legs a little bit, no hands, then that will be more of a jiggle jiggle. Straight legs, jiggle jiggle. Okay, so again, just moving, riding the hips are twisting like this, same thing, yeah, the knees are relaxed and you're jiggling. Okay, from the back, the knees are relaxed, not a big relax, but surely relax a little bit so you can see a groove right here. And then you're twisting the hips from side to side, and the jiggle jiggle can start either right here and then come over. Okay, so we're gonna get into the drill now. So we're doing 30 seconds of each. Now the hardest task is to move from up here to down here, because once some of us start to move or transition from a place of upright standing to down, we lose it completely. And so for that reason, for the first 2 sets of 30-second drills, I'm going to be doing it slow motion. So starting from the top, 15 seconds up, 15 seconds over, 30 seconds, doing it slowly, okay? And then the final 2 sets of 30, we're gonna do it real time. All right, and remember, this is not a live video, so you can back up as much as you want, okay? So do whatever you need to do to learn this movement, because you have at blood clot to every single party we're going to. Yes, so here we go. Remember, 15 seconds are gonna be upright, 15 seconds are gonna transition to go over. So here we go, slow motion. In 3, 2, 1. Upright, twisting, slow, some twisting, just getting, and while you're doing it, try to feel the jiggle in the booty as well. And we're reaching that 15-second now, so we'll reach it over, and I'm gonna do the relaxed version of the knee, and I come forward. So we do the jiggle jiggle, and that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So even though I kind of sped up when I went over, you get the gist, you get the idea. Okay. So now I'm going to turn facing backwards, and I'm going to start slowly again. And at your own pace, you can pick up the pace. All right. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Starting upright, twisting. And you want to go a little bit over a moderate pace so you can kind of start to get that jiggle in the hips. I still relax my knees, so you can see a little bit of a groove, a curve in my knees when I'm moving side to side. And now we go over. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright? Excellent. So now, we're going to do the real time, the real pace. I do hope you're ready. So we're starting up front, up high again, and then we're gonna go down low on the 15-second marker. Okay? So remember, you can pause the video, do the slow motion again if you're not ready for this one, or you can just come on and just do it with me, babe. Alright? So here we go. 3, 2, starting up, 1, go. You know you gotta get that booty jiggle, yeah? Push it back, relax the knees, breathe. One thing a lot of persons don't do is breathe. So we're approaching that 15-second, come with me, come with me, come with me, let's go. That's it, girl. If you didn't catch it, go up and do it again, no problem. Four, 3, 2. All right. Okay, so we have one more. We're gonna turn to the back. You ready for this one? In 3, 2, and 1. Standing upright. Let's go. Over. Alright, good. So we're gonna do one more because I realized I haven't been going down all the way into the 630. So just for the purpose of getting into that 630, jiggle jiggle into that 630, we're gonna do one more. And I'm gonna face this direction, okay? So still same thing, starting upright and then going down past a 90-degree as far down as you can go. Alright, so let's try that together. In 3, 2, and 1. Starting upright, we're jiggling. I'm gonna fight over my love, Missy. And we are approaching that. Here we go, come with me. Into 630, head it down. All right, good. Okay, so these things, you know you want to practice them to make them better and better. Sometimes it may feel like a grasshopper. If you do, don't you worry about it. Just try to do it in the mirror, record yourself, play it back, check and see what you're doing, if you're doing anything wrong, and you will get better every single day. Trust me on this, girl. Just have fun with it too. And I find that breathing really helps. So, big up yourselves. You take our first choreo, the hottest, sexiest, bad girl dancer instructor in the whole Caribbean. We take it over, baby. Don't tell anyone, you know. Subscribe.